Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. Hope you are doing great. In this video, we are going to see how we can translate in different languages this software. So just have a look. So I will click here and translate to, let's say, Hindi. So here you can see all the information you can see in Hindi language. Now I want to translate in another language. So I will select here and let's say I want to transfer in Dutch language. So I just click to translate. So here you can see all the informations are coming in Dutch language. So this type you can easily translate the language in your convenient different languages. So thank you friends for watching this video. Have a great day.